Have you ever cried so hard that afterward you felt empty but lighter, like something heavy finally left your chest? That feeling isn't imagined, it's your body letting go. We're told to be strong, to hold it together, to stop crying. But strength isn't about holding everything in. Sometimes strength is letting it out. Unexpressed emotions don't disappear, they collect in your chest, in your breath, in your silence. Crying is how the body releases what the mind can't carry anymore. When tears flow, your breathing changes. It slows, it deepens. Your body quietly shifts out of stress and into safety. That shift is relief. Not all tears are the same. Emotional tears carry stress signals, the body's chemical memory of pain. Crying helps wash them away. That's why after tears you feel lighter, not heavier. After crying, your heart settles, your muscles loosen, your thoughts slow down. It's not sadness leaving, it's tension releasing. Tears speak when words fail. They say, I'm overwhelmed, I need support, I'm human. And often that's when healing truly begins. Crying takes energy, that's why you feel exhausted afterward, but calm. You didn't lose strength, you released weight. Crying isn't breaking down, it's your body repairing itself in the only language it knows. Tears aren't weakness, they're maintenance.
So next time tears come, don't rush to stop them. Let them pass, because sometimes the lightness you're searching for comes after the tears fall.
If this made you feel understood, like, share, and subscribe. More human truths are waiting.